Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. Have you ever tried to delete a Cash App transaction but couldn't find any option to do it? You're not alone. Many people think there's a way to erase or hide their Cash App history, but the truth might surprise you. In this video, I'll explain whether you can actually delete Cash App transactions or not, and if there's any trick or real method to do it. So stay tuned, because this is something Cash App never clearly tells you. To find out if Cash App transactions can really be deleted or not, we visited this website. This website has thousands of articles related to Cash App. One of those articles is titled, How to Delete Transactions on Cash App. 3 Easy Methods. This article clearly explains whether you can delete Cash App transactions or not. If you can, then how? As we scroll down in the article, the first subheading we see is, Can you delete transactions on Cash App? In this section, they explain, No, you cannot directly delete completed transactions on the Cash App. Cash App does not have an option to remove them because it's designed for security reasons to keep all transaction records safe. However, there are several methods you can use to hide or make your transactions more private, like adjusting security settings or managing your transaction history. Plus, there are other ways to delete transactions, which we've explained further in this article. So finally, we found out that Cash App transactions cannot be deleted directly, but there are some alternative methods to hide them. If you want to learn those methods, we have created a separate video for that. The link for the video is available in the description. You can also learn about these methods from this article. The link is also given in the description. When we scroll a bit further down in this article, there is another subheading titled, How to Delete Transactions on Cash App. Here they have explained 3 different methods step by step using screenshots, which can help you delete or hide your Cash App transactions. In addition, they have also shown the complete process in a YouTube video at the bottom of the article. So you can click and watch that video too.